What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have the American A321Neo by GeminiJets. Now I do believe I already have one of these Neos. I can't remember if it's NG or GeminiJets, because it's been a while. And honestly, I think it was GeminiJets. I've been waiting, I've been hoping that NG would have released the 321Neo from American. But unfortunately, I haven't seen one, or like a re-release at least. So this is, I've seen that this is actually a pretty good model. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what we got. Here's the box. Apologize about the lighting. It's a little inconsistent today with the clouds. So here's the aircraft. It looks intact, so that's a good thing. Standard box. This was a 2024 release. I forget which month. I know it was towards the end of the year, but yeah, let's go ahead and take a look. Double plastic on top. Interesting. All right, here's the model. It is all intact. Wow. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. It actually looks pretty good. It looks like a pretty decent model, I must say. It does not look too bad. It's actually pretty good looking. GeminiJets, their mold for the 321Neo and their whole Airbus family has always been a little iffy. But this overall does not look bad. I'm actually relatively impressed, and the model's not broken. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the detail real quick. So zoom in here to the cockpit. It looks all right. Everything, around here, there's just good details. A321Neo, some good details there for static ports and AOA vanes and pitot tubes and stuff are. And I'm not exactly sure what that little compartment is there, but that, there's good detail. The door looks good. There's a little tiny little one whirl sticker right there. Good antenna. The gear looks actually pretty good, not bad. And you got the American Airlines logo right there with American titles, not bad. Some other good details all around here as well. And on top, there is no box up front, but there's a Wi-Fi dome and some other antennas along the top and the back there. Moving along, you got the O-ring exits and the markings on the wing, which actually look really good on both sides. So very good there. The wings look pretty good. With the sharklets as well, not looking too bad at all. They're just plain gray though, so nothing fancy. The engines, they don't look too bad. They're not bent or crazily mounted or improperly mounted in my opinion. They actually look pretty decent. So that's good. And then moving back, we have the other main door here. I guess this would be an emergency exit as well. And then the registration November 413 Alpha November 413 there with the American flag right there. So that all looks really well. And then the final door right there looking very nice. With the tail as well looking pretty good. Same with the horizontal stabilizers and the APU hole there. Everything looks really good. There's good detail, and I'm actually pretty impressed. On this side, you've got that little marking there for, I believe that's like I forget. It's an air outlet for something, but that looks pretty good. Bulk bin door there. Main cargo door looking really well, looking really nice right there. Some good detail around that. And then this side, the wing and the engines all look very nice as well. Then you have the forward cargo door right there. Some great detail around that as well. So actually overall pretty impressed with the look of this. Let's take a look head on here. Looks pretty good. And we'll take a look at the top down. So there's a top down view. The markings and the wing detail actually look pretty good. The wings are not crazily flexed or anything. Excuse me, sorry about the sniffles, guys. And underneath is pretty plain. The gear is actually pretty good. It rolls and it's all solid. It's all intact. So very nice job actually by GeminiJets. This is actually a pretty good model. Unfortunately, I got one of these. Now that I think about it, now that I have this one, I wish I could get more. I just don't have the financial means to right now. Other models are taking priority, but if I get the chance to double up or triple up on this in the future, I most certainly will go for it, because this is actually a pretty nice model from GeminiJets. I'm somewhat impressed. So I think that's where I stand with this. I do actually recommend it. I don't know if every single piece is gonna come, every single model is gonna come intact and everything, because we know GeminiJets quality control can be a little bit iffy, but not a little bit, can be iffy. But overall, I'm very impressed that this one is all intact. It actually looks really well. The color, actually, too, of the aircraft, of the actual color itself, GeminiJets has been notorious for butchering the American Airlines, the gray. And I think this is actually one of their better models. Like, the gray is actually, they've actually got it just right on this. It's so weird because they get it right on some and they get it wrong on others. I don't know, but this one, it looks like they've got it right, and I'm actually very impressed. This looks really well, or looks really good, shall I say. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, I hope you did. Smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. With that, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.